Welcome to Lalas World. Today's video is how to remove the background from an image on iPhone free with the new iOS 16 update. First, if you don't already have the iOS 16 update, go ahead and download the update. This can be done by going to your iPhone settings and doing a search for updates. If you already have the iOS 16 update, it won't show up, but if you need to update, it will show up in this section. Once you update to iOS 16, agree to the terms and conditions and download, go ahead and open up your photos. Once you see an image that you want to remove the background from, tap the image with a long hold. You'll then see a menu that shows up that says copy or share. I'm going to copy and go to my messages, and here I can paste the image with the background removed. Now it seems really simple, but if you were to copy instead of tap and hold, the image will paste with the background. Let me show you the difference. Here I'm going to click on share, copy photo, go back to my messages and paste. And as you can see, the background shows up. You can also click the three dots to the top and copy from there as well. Thanks for watching how to remove the background from an image on iPhone free with the new iOS 16 update. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel.